So for our curve sketching summary, one of the things that I mentioned in that other example was a way of organizing yourself when you're doing a big sketch. So first of all, I would say find any intercepts if you can, x-intercepts and y-intercepts. Sometimes you might not be able to find the x-intercepts because you'll need a calculator, but if you have a calculator for that section, then you can use your calculator to find them. Then look for any asymptotes, either horizontal asymptotes or vertical asymptotes. Those will be your non-permissible values, and thinking of doing your limiting process for your horizontal asymptotes. What happens when x gets really, really big? So this is before any calculus. This is sort of using your stuff from before. Then you're going to do your first derivative and your first derivative test. So in other words, you do your first derivative, draw your number line with your critical points, find out where things are increasing and decreasing, and then you'll be able to say local mins and local maximums. Do your second derivative, and with your second derivative test, you'll be able to find out where things are concave up and concave down. If you're asked, like on the quiz, to explain using the first derivative test and the second derivative test, you could do that at that time. So we're going to find our stationary points and inflection points, do our tests that way, find our intervals where it's increasing and decreasing. That was that number line showing the arrows up and down. There's your number line to find out where something is concave up, concave down. Add the smiley faces. Oh yeah. And then once you have all of that information, you're going to sketch your curve.